My name is Molly, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own daily planner, just like the one you can download from our website. But we know not all of you will have a printer, so you can get a bit more creative and draw up your own one, just like this. So first step, get yourself a clean piece of paper and fold it in half. This means you can put your plan on one side and your parent or caregiver's plan on the other side. So let's start with adding a fun title. This is where you can get really creative. Don't be afraid to use lots of colours and try drawing some fun letters. Having a loose plan helps you have an awesome day because you get to do some of the things that you might otherwise forget to do. It helps keep you productive and positive when you're learning from home. So first of all, we are going to draw a big rectangle on our half of the page. It doesn't matter if the lines aren't perfectly straight, but you can use a ruler if you want to. We are going to divide this box into 13 rows for each hour of our day. Again, they don't have to be perfect, but you can use a ruler if you want. So we are going to write in the times, starting with 8 AM when we wake up, going through till 8 PM. Your day might be a little bit different, but that's okay. You can fill it out to suit you and your family. So that's your side of the day done. Now we're going to move on to the other side for your parent or caregiver that's looking after you. So for mine, I'm going to fill out my dad's day. The reason your plan is a bit different to your caregivers is because they may also need to work or get other things done throughout the day, but they will also need to help you out. We are going to create the same rectangle on this side with our 13 rows for each hour of the day. So once you've got your grid drawn up, you can go ahead and put the times in for that one. And don't forget that when you reach lunchtime at 12, it switches to 12 PM. It's going to be important to keep the plan loose, but always include some time for home learning, some creative time, and time for some physical activity and time outside. So, to help us keep track of what we are doing throughout the day, we can draw in some fun little pictures to show what we are up to. At 10 AM, I'm going to do some academic learning, so I'm going to draw in a little calculator. For creative time, we might do some painting, so I'm going to draw in a little paintbrush. After lunch is a good time for some quiet time, so let's draw in a wee open book. Don't be afraid to get creative with your drawings. We'd love to see what you're up to and what you're drawing to show what you're doing. So get mum or dad to share them on our Sparklers at Home Facebook page. And remember, your drawings don't have to be perfect. Your teacher isn't always with you at school, and it's the same while home learning. But it is cool to do some learning together. So let's draw in a little symbol on Dad's planner to show when we are learning and playing together. For my planner, I'm going to put it in at 10 AM, 11 AM and 2 PM when I've got some academic learning and creative learning. So that's my basic plan all done. You can fill your own one out with your parent or caregiver and work out your day. You don't have to stick to the plan exactly, but it helps keep a little bit of routine while you're out of school. And if you draw up a plan, get your caregiver to share it to our Sparklers at Home Facebook page. We would love to see it.